Hello, hello! Here we are for drag and drop with operating system Linux. You download the source, and once you will have on the desktop drag and drop, double click, and it opens. There is a splash screen that you can take off if necessary to earn a bit of time, to save a bit of time. Here you can select the disposition. That means it's very easy to change, and for sure there's a story of with a different scenario that you did before. It's very convenient as you can get ready for the next crisis. And to change the source, just come here. Change the source, and you can select, for example, different website. Here I am going on sport, and this one, Olympics, and here it is, Olympics website. There are many sources for different file. For the capture, HDMI capture, it's very convenient. In this case, I have only one key. Here it is, it's a cheap capture card. And you can see there are two of them. You can do the simultaneously both entrance. I open up, here it is, switch on again. And here it is online. There are many sources, such as also the remote desktop, virtual network connection, and RDP. You can also share your screen. It's very convenient when you get many screens and a specific app which are directly on the computer. You can share it on the video wall. And finally, there are all the ecosystem QuickShare, which allow you to share a link, a QR code with an operator in the street, in the field. And as you can handle the camera. You can see the camera directly on the video wall. It's a way to get the communication very easy between the control center and the field. And finally, on this part, there are all the settings. You can change the color for sure. Here it is the configuration for the video wall. And here you can select the different source that you monitor with these tools. So drag and drop is right now under Linux. Feel free to drop me an email or drop me a call. I would be so happy to chat with you about my software. And just a gentle reminder, now we cover in France 40% of the territory with a control center, with army, fire bombers, which are the main and the historical customer, also hospital and prefecture, and there are little company from private sector, but we are keeping our progression, and we will be very happy to work with you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.